What is happening to my screen?
Wait, what? Does anyone see my screen?
Just give me one.
Something's wrong with my screen. Oh my god.
Bruh, does anyone see me?
Miss Priya.
Hello.
Something's wrong with my screen.
It's not even showing me my face.
Okay, now that's better. No, I don't want to sign in to see my profile, thank you. How do I get out of here?
Oh my god.
Miss Priya. You're mute first.
Miss Priya, how do I change my name? I'm trying to and it just shows up random things.
Miss Priya, I think you're on mute.
Yeah, you're on mute.
You're mute.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh, hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, how are you?
Miss Priya.
Yes.
I did all my homeworks except I couldn't finish the angle one. And I only have I only have 5 problems left.
Oh, that's nice.
Miss Priya, on the test, I did the test a little, but then when I did it the first time, when I had 18 minutes left and I was like on question 27 or something, it just logged me out and I just didn't try again because I was doing mental math and it was super. I technically almost finished the whole thing, but then it just logged me out of there and I was able to just go back in the screen.
Why did it log you off?
I was just doing it. I was answering a question and then I wasn't able to do the question anymore. And each tab I checked, it wasn't there.
Then you by mistake
Miss
closed it.
Priya,
Right?
I'm kind
the
of
test-
1 week behind the homework because I was sick last week.
I know. I hope you're feeling better. Your dad told me.
Miss
Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god.
Everybody wants to say no. One by one, we'll listen. What big deal? Go ahead.
And also, how do I change my name?
How do you change your name? You want me to rename you?
Yeah.
I can rename you. Can I do that?
Yeah.
Okay. What?
Does
Go ahead.
anyone see my face?
My mom wanted to see my test, and we looked into it. And then the next time I tried, I only had 10 minutes. But after the 10 minutes happened, I could still go. So I just finished the test.
That's okay. See, I'm not a mean teacher to cut you off at the minute. You see what I mean? So I let you take the test how much ever time you took so that I can see how much time you took. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay.
It started at 10 minutes. It didn't start at an hour. Just started.
In my test, when I wrote 4 factorial, and then or 24, it said it was wrong, and it said the answer was 24.
Yeah, the answer is 24.
And I wrote 24 in my
Okay,
answer.
so there was a problem with the answer, you mean?
Yeah.
Why don't we check that? Which test was it?
I don't know.
You have to know, right? How that is hard on me, right?
Which
And also, can we play a
Check
game
it. I can
today?
check it.
Test on 4. Wait, let me check it.
4B.
Let me check it.
4B part 1, you mean?
Part 1, 4B, test on counting, division,
can-
yeah,
divisibility.
what he's saying, Neil.
Yeah, can I bring that test?
Divisibility,
See,
counting.
Definitely, if there's a problem with answer key, it's something I need to check it up too. Which question was it? Do you remember, Arnav?
No, but I'm pretty sure it's around like it was in the 10s, 20s, or 30s.
Oh my, Seema, you will have to you'll have to make sure you copy the problem if there is a problem, right? Then only I'll be able to help you, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
can we do a game kit today?
Gimkit,
Please.
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 no. See, please means I should have it ready, right? That is my only problem. I don't have anything ready.
We can host a game kit.
No, if I prepare it, it will have the questions that we want, right? I don't have one ready. You can.
Aww.
Miss Priya, when I wanted to see like the test, but then I realized I had a class, so I joined the class, and after class, I went back to my computer to like finish the test. But when I was like on question 5 or 6, and then it told me to restart, and then I couldn't answer the questions. Like when I went to question 1, I got the answer, but when I tried to like type it, it wouldn't let me.
What is the problem, guys, with that 4B part 1, na?
Yeah.
So you
What
got-
about my just noetic score?
Can I host
Oh,
a game
Niotic
kit?
score was excellent, Neil. Very good job. I'm so proud of you.
And,
Okay.
Miss Pia,
So very nice of you. You did a great job. Please continue doing it.
Okay.
Make sense?
the question Aina was talking about was number 4.
Okay, let's go there. Number 4, huh? 4 different books are arranged on a shelf. How many possibilities are there? Correct? Correct, guys?
Yeah.
What was the correct answer?
24. Okay.
I don't think I did it.
Four different books are arranged on a shelf in a row. How many possible arrangements are there? Correct?
Oh
Was
my
that the
God.
question, guys? Okay, was that the question?
I don't know.
Let me share with you. Hold on, I'll share with you.
Miss Priya.
Yeah,
I
ma.
have another question, and it's about the cards.
It's about the
Cards.
cards. What is the question?
So I was using the bicycle cards, and on that, there's this one card which I don't know if it counts or not. Can I show it to you?
Is it Joker?
You
No,
can.
it's not the Joker.
You can, Yuvati.
King. And also, I like listened to the class and and then I put questions like that were from the class in a game kit, and I have the game kit ready. I host it.
Okay, we'll see at the end. Okay.
Please.
Yeah, we'll see at the end. Okay.
Miss
Okay.
Pia, do you see
Oh,
it?
good.
Your picture is not showing.
Oh my
We'll
gosh.
see at the end, Amma. Okay.
Can I re-log in?
For
Because
what?
it's not letting me show my
Good,
picture.
I'm good.
Okay, I'm going. Yeah, you can re-log in. I'm going to go ahead and begin the class, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and go. Okay, the fourth question, right? 4 different books are there. In how many ways can you arrange? When you talk about 4 different positions, right? A, B, C, D book can be arranged here, right? 4 options for this place. And then once you arrange one book, you have 3 books, 3 possible books in here, 2 possible books, 1 possible book. Can you multiply all? What is the answer? 24, right? 24 is the right answer, I'm saying.
When I get them done, right before I go,
Check and go.
where's the answers?
Oh my gosh, what's wrong with my screen?
Did you guys get it? So I feel fourth question is not the question you are debating. There is some other question. You have to note down the question numbers and come back to class and ask.
Did I turn that
Make
thing
sense?
in? Miss Priya.
Mm-hmm.
Did I do it my answer correct on question 4?
Question. I don't know, Ma. You have to check. It would have emailed you, right?
Because I think I did.
Good. Akshara, did you finish the test or not?
No, I did not.
You did not. I want you to retake it completely using a different email ID. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I really want you to do it before next class. Make sense? What other questions you all had? Anybody had some other questions?
Yes.
That is that is a spade. Your dad should know on that. He will help you. That is that is A, right? It's written A.
Yeah.
Guess what, Miss Priya? I actually
Does it
finished
count?
the whole.
Does it count as a card?
It is counted as a card, Amma. It is A spade.
So I counted as a spade. So there's going to be 11 spades, not 10.
What, ma? It is not 10. It is 1 spade. Or A spade. Got it?
What I was saying was, so I made like a chart of how much jokers, jacks, kings, queens, spades, hearts, diamonds, and clovers there are. In the spades, hearts, diamonds, and clovers, I first thought each of them had 10, but then I saw that the spades had another one, so spades has 11 of them.
It's much more, right? I really want you to understand what is rank in each rank, how many are there clearly, and then come back. Please discuss this with your parents, and you're going to come back. Then only I'm going to discuss cards with you. It is not just 10 or 11, it's more than that in each color. In each rank. Spade has how many in total, guys? Who knows?
13.
13. Good job. So, how many in each color? Let's say how many in each color?
Oh, what I took it as is instead of adding the jacks, queens, and kings in the sections, I just added them in their own sections.
No, ma, you have to add everything, okay? Whatever belongs to
okay.
It is a suit, claver is a suit, diamond is a suit, and heart is a suit.
Okay.
13 and a total of 52. Each color has 13 plus 13, 26. Okay, let's move on from the cards now. So, Akshara, you're going to take the retest. Naga, did you take the test?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Okay, I don't remember.
Did I turn it in?
Yeah, I really want you to review the questions. Make sense?
I already have.
Oh, good, ma. Yuvati, did you take the test?
I did it, but then it logged me out.
I really want you to redo the test. If you're not redoing, you're losing out, okay? On the tests that are done.
Did I do it?
You have to say.
I forgot.
I didn't see yours, ma.
Oh.
Okay.
Miss Priya?
Immediately emailed to me as well, so I didn't see yours. Yes, go ahead.
Did you know that I was actually wanting to finish the full counting chapter so I would move on to the more funner things like logic. So I just did all the remaining.
Go ahead. Yes.
So I just finished
Logic,
all the
put
counting.
something on percent and then to logic. Okay. Let's move on. Now, you know what a percentage machine is. Everybody talks about percentage, right? You need to learn extra, not just the book. Okay.
For in probability and such more stuff.
Okay, this is a person machine. You know what it does? Whatever I give it, it cuts it into 100 pieces. What do you think about the machine? You got it?
100 pieces.
Yeah, whatever I give, it's going to cut it into 100 equal pieces. Make sense?
Okay. Yes,
This is a number past 100.
Now, if I give it $100 note, right?
No.
Yeah, if I give a $100 note and ask, hey, what will be one piece value from that? What will be the value of one piece in the output?
$1.
10%.
Yes, $1. Okay. Suppose to that person mission, I give it $600. Okay. What will be the value? What is 2% of it? What is 2% means 2 pieces value? What is that?
$12.
Right? That is what is person machine.
Except if you did get a $100 bill and if you like ripped it into 100 pieces, it'd be worthless after that.
Okay, let's see this one.
It's just a waste of $100 bill.
I know.
You could just buy 1,000 pieces of that.
It wouldn't give you $1 each piece.
If I want 2% means I'll take 2 pieces from the output. If I want 10% means I'll take 10 pieces from the output. Make sense?
Got it.
Okay.
Yes, and why? I didn't really get it. 777.
What is it?
I didn't really get it. Why is there a 7-7 right
Whatever
here?
you're going to give it to the machine is going to break it up into 100 pieces. That's all. You all got it?
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. And if I ask you for 5% means you have to tell me the value of 5 such pieces. If you ask 10% means you have to tell me the value of 10 pieces. No talking in between. Let me finish.
You already taught us this.
If I ask you
beforehand.
10%, you're going to give me the value of 10 such pieces. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now,
So it's
go ahead and
basically
ask your
2
question.
times the value.
Ritu, go ahead and ask the question.
So it's basically like 2 times the value?
Let Ritu ask the question. Ask.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Wouldn't 1/2 be like 50%?
1. Yes. Good job. Yes, Meera, go ahead.
So it's kind of like like it's so 5 is equal to like 5 times 2. 5% is equal to 5 times 2, which is 10%.
It depends on what I give, right, Meera? Suppose if I give $100, when it splits into 100 pieces, each is
It'll
a
be
dollar.
worthless.
So it just depends on what I give as input, right, Meera?
But how do you then like find it out?
Oh, I'll tell you what input I'm going to give. Make sense?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, you're just going to listen. I'll come back to you and ask whether you understood after some more explanation. Lakshanya, go ahead, ma. What is your question? Your hand is raised.
What's the difference between decimals and percentage?
What is the difference between decimals and percentage? Percent. You know what per means? It's divide by 100. Cent means 100. So whatever I give,
Even
it
in
is
Spanish.
divide by 100.
Well, that's why it's like century.
What is it, ma?
That's why century means 100.
Century. Yes,
yeah.
century is
And in
100.
Spanish,
That
it kind of
makes
means,
sense now.
you know,
In
Yeah,
Spanish,
so
it
let's
means
see that.
what?
like cien is 100 in Spanish.
Miss
So it kind
Priya,
of does sound
I
like
have
cent.
a question about what you said for the cent means 100. So wouldn't centimeters be like how much of the meter divided by 100?
Correct.
Yeah, like
So,
100 meters.
Yuvati, that's right. Let's go ahead and give the person machine $25. In this case, I want what comes 5%. What is 5% in the output? Meaning, 5 of the pieces will amount to how many dollars? No shouting out. Each of you, I'm going to see who gets it right. So, take your time. Think about what you'll get. You'll have to think in terms of money. Let's say, see, you know about 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, everything you know. Cents as well, you know. 5 20 cents make up a dollar, you know. 2 50 cents make up a dollar, you know. 4 25 cents make up a dollar, you already know. Based on that knowledge, find out what will be in each piece, and then 5% means 5 of those pieces. You're going to answer. I'll wait. Please don't shout out. I want what is 5%.
Miss Priya, I don't exactly understand this. So is it asking, so how much does the person machine split it into? Like how much
Whenever I
pieces?
give it to the person machine, it's going to cut it into 100 pieces, I told you. Percent means
Okay.
percent means division by 100. Whatever input I give, it's going to divide by 100.
Okay.
So that will be the value of each of the piece. Okay. Now I'm asking you for the value of 5%. That means I'm asking you for 5 of the pieces value. It's okay if you don't know. Send me you don't know. I'll further explain nicely.
Miss Priya,
Mm-hmm.
am I right?
What is it, ma'am?
Am I right?
I'll check them out. Oh,
Am
good
I right?
job, Arnav. Nice word.
Am I right?
Arnav, I already told you. You have to listen. Naga. That is correct, ma. Whatever you have written, but I'm asking for 5 pieces. Value of 5 pieces.
Am I right?
You have to wait, guys. I'm going to go over one by one. You don't have to repeat yourself. You can wait. If I don't call you out for a while, then you can ask. Is that okay? Okay. Samhit,
Am I
that's
right?
not right. Arnav, did you listen to the class? I called your name 2 times to tell you what it was. Naga, 5 of the pieces, ma. You calculated the value of 4 of the pieces, lady. Yes, I'm going to explain. Lakshanya, I'm going to explain. Neil, good job. Very nice. But I asked you for 5%, not 1%. 1% means 1 of the piece. 2% means, good job, Naga. Naga, Arnav got it. Neil, I'm waiting for, Abhi, you got it. Yuvati, you have to put it in cents, right? Neil, correct. Okay guys, let me go ahead and explain.
Did I get it correct?
Sorry, ma, I didn't see. See, like this you can raise after a while. Wait, I'm checking, Meera. If you go on asking, right, you cannot listen to what I say at all in the class, or we cannot listen to anybody as well. I'll check, Meera. I didn't get your answer, I feel. Let me see. Not really, Meera. Okay, let's see this one. I'm putting $100. This is a percent machine. Per cent. The name itself tells what machine it is. Per means divide. Cent means 100. I put a $100 bill in it. Okay, now it's going to split it into 100 pieces. What will be there in each? What will be the value of each piece? $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, right? 100 pieces. You got it?
Yeah.
This is 100 parts. If I ask you for 5% means I am asking 5 of the parts. The value of 5 of the parts will be $5. If I ask you what is 25%, each part is $1, $1, $1. 25 parts will be $25. Okay, now I am going to give it $200 this time to the person machine. Meera, can you tell me what will be the value of 2 of the pieces? It's a person machine. I give $200. What will be the value of each? I'm asking for 2. I'm asking for 2%, right? 2 of the pieces. So tell me what is the value of each piece, Meera, here.
How many pieces are there?
I told you, right, Meera? Person machine splits it into 100 pieces.
2.
2, good job. But I asked for 2%. That means what?
Then that'll be 4.
Good job. So $4 will be the answer for 2%.
Oh, now it makes sense.
Now Lakshanya, coming to you. I'm giving the person machine $300. It's a person machine. Whatever I give it to it, it's going to split it up into 100 pieces.
Yep.
I'm asking for 4%. What is 4% of 300? I'm asking. If I ask what is 4% of 300, you have to imagine the person machine splitting whatever I give into 100 pieces. When it splits into 100 pieces, I will calculate the value of 4 of the pieces to give me the value. So tell me, Lakshanya, what will be the answer?
4% of $300 is $12.
Good job, lady. Who else did not understand at all? Who? Please raise now. Yes, Akshara, I'm here. Can we do it together?
Yeah.
Suppose I give $500 to this machine. What this machine does? This is my favorite machine for that matter. Okay. This machine splits whatever I give it into 100 pieces. So think about what will be in each piece, Akshara. What will be the value of each piece?
How much percent should I split it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it 100?
Why would it be 100? I'm giving it $500. This machine makes 100 pieces out of this. What will be the value of each piece? You have to divide by 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good, Neil. So what will be the value of each piece? Just divide by 100 and tell me.
5.
5. Now if I ask you for 2% means 2 pieces value, you have to tell me. You got it?
Yeah.
What is the value? 2% of 500 is what? I'm asking what is the value of 2 of the output pieces. How much is 2%?
10.
10. Good job. Now, one thing what you need to remember or see the pattern and learn. See, this person machine, if suppose I give a $100 bill and ask for 20%, what is the answer? What is 20% of 100? think about the machine splitting up into 100 pieces and you have to think about 20 of the pieces value. What is 20% of 100? See, you're dividing this by 100 multiplying by 20, right?
Oh, is it 20?
That's what it is. You're just dividing this by 100 and then multiplying by 20. Instead, it's like multiplying by
20?
Did you get it?
Yeah.
So you're just finding 1/5 of 100. You're splitting 100 into 5 parts and telling me one part.
Priya, did you get my chat message
Yes.
for the previous question?
For the previous question. Now let's do this question, lady.
Okay.
What is 20% of 100? What is 20% of 100?
20?
I'll also try to answer you in the chat itself. Abhi, you have to correct it. Good job, guys. I'm going to move on. I don't want to concentrate too much on this. Lakshmi, I want you to redo. I'm trying to answer there itself, guys. Check out. Naga, you don't keep sending. See my responses as well. Samhit, how did you do? Can you help me? Samhit, can you help me? Guys, we should answer.
I did 100 divided by 20.
Correct. 100. First, you need to split it to 100 pieces. Because the machine splits anything into 100 pieces. So each will be one piece. What will be the 20 of the value?
And we're gonna let's do a quiz.
What?
He's coming up with
Arnav. Arnav.
Hey, see that plane flying over?
What?
What is that?
Arnav.
Figure out how to
Yeah,
work
what?
together.
Arnav.
What is that?
Wait, what
What is
happened?
that?
Wait, what happened?
Just getting it. Always.
Wait,
Okay, guys. What is 20% of 100? This was a question to. Who did not get it? Samhit, please. Samhit.
I'm an alien.
There's nothing to eat.
What's going on?
How do you get that like smiley thing where everything just explodes all of a sudden?
Okay.
Click reaction.
Go ahead. So, Samhit, did you get it? What is 20% of 100? Good job, Akshara. What is 20% of 100, Samhit? Samhit, that was a question to you, ma. You have to shout out. Shout out, Samhit.
20.
20. Good job. Okay, thank you. Let's move on now. Okay, I'm going to ask you more questions, guys. How about this? Okay, I'm putting a code on a sale for $70 coat. Okay, I have a $70 coat. I'm selling it at 50% off. 50% off means the price of it is reduced. Okay, by 50%. By 50%. 50% I'm coming down. So what will be the price of the coat? Think about what is 50%. 50% is 50%. Yes, Vihan, you can send it in chat. Did you have a question on that?
Oh no, I was just gonna.
Arnav, Samhit, good job. You guys got it. Naga, I'm waiting for your answer. Akshara,
I sent it.
Akshara, correct. Vihan, correct.
I sent my
Sonia,
answer.
correct. Neil, correct?
Miss Priya.
Ritu, is it right?
Wait, now, can I check my answer?
Ritu, go ahead, ma.
No, that was not my answer.
Okay,
Miss
good.
Priya,
Yes, ma.
can you explain the question one more time? I didn't hear.
I have a coat which I bought for $70. Okay, I am selling it 50% off. I am selling it at 50% off.
Okay.
What is the value I'm selling it at? What is the dollar value I'm selling it at?
I send it.
So, Ritu, see here, Ritu. $70 coat I'm asking for 50% less. If I 50% less means I'm selling it for 50%, right? Meaning 50% is what? 50% of 70 is what? Person machine, I'm putting in 70, it's going to split into 100 pieces. So each piece will be 70 cents, 70 cents, 70 cents, 70 cents. That 70 cents I'm asking what is 50 pieces? 50 pieces value will be 50 times 70 cents, right, ma? 50
Can
times
you
70
check my
cents is
answer?
$35.
I think mine is incorrect because I didn't really get it.
$35.
Miss Priya,
Uh,
can I also did it in another way. So I know 50 is half of 100, meaning we're supposed to do 70 divided by 2, and the answer would be 35.
good job, ma. Now,
Is
Meera,
mine correct?
for the person machine, right, Meera?
Yeah.
I'm going to feed in $70. If
Okay.
I feed in $70, what happens to each piece?
It divides by
70 cents, right? It divides by 100. When you divide by 100, that becomes cents, right? 70 cents. If I give the percent machine $80, when it splits into 100, each will be 80 cents.
Oh.
Okay, if I ask for 35% means 35 of those will amount to what? 35 times 70. How do you do this quickly? Don't worry about the decimal at all. Just multiply the values. 70 times 35 is what? 210 plus 35, 210. 7 times 3 is what?
21.
70 times 3 is 210. And then 70 times 5 is what?
350.
350.
Are we doing it right? 70 times 35 is what we are doing, right? Correct. So
350.
70 times 3 is 210, correct. And then 5 times 70 is 350, right? What are we
Okay.
doing here?
Why did you just? I just don't like these muted notifications.
Yeah. See, I was asking for 50%. That's why we are getting confused. I was asking for 50%.
The answer is 70 cents.
Why? No, I was asking for 50%, right? 50
I
of those
think it's
values.
35.
50 of those values.
This is 35.
50 of those values will amount to what, Meera? You can multiply quickly, right?
Yeah, that'll be 3,500.
Yeah, but then there it's in cents, 3,500 cents, because 70 cents you're multiplying by 50. 3,500 cents will be how many dollars? $35.
Yeah.
$35. Good job. So how about this? Okay. There is a mother kangaroo, there is a baby kangaroo. Okay. If the mother jumps 100 feet, baby kangaroo can jump 10% of the mother. Okay. Don't worry about the 100 feet. Whatever the mother kangaroo jumps, the baby kangaroo can jump 10%. Okay. Mother kangaroo jumps 10 feet. Okay. How much will the baby kangaroo jump? You can tell me in fraction as well. I'm feeding the person machine 10. What will happen? Baby kangaroo jumps 10%.
Wait,
Miss
so
Priya, when will we just do something like logic or stuff like that?
Soon after this. Soon after this.
After this question, can I host a Gimkit?
No.
Oh my
We're going to
God!
go
Why
to
did you
logic,
ask
and
me
at the
that
end we'll see.
question?
And then can we do a Gimkit?
We'll see at the end if we have time. Let's move on. But I want to respect whatever you all have asked. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
Did you get it?
I was wondering if we could just. I've just made up a logic
Neil,
question.
Neil, have you given the answer correctly? I've asked for 10% of 10. How can 10% of 10 be 1? Is it right? It's a little tricky question. I've asked for.
I know it.
Oh, now this makes sense.
Let me
Am I
see
correct?
what makes sense for whom. Good job, Lakshanya. Very nice.
Wait, I put 10.
Isn't that answer correct?
I put 100 as
None
my
of you
answer.
got it right. None of you
Second
got
one.
it right. Lakshanya, you want to explain?
But even I didn't get it right?
Did I get my answer right?
None of you got it right. Lakshanya, can you explain?
Wait, what?
Okay, so in 10 feet, I just thought that 1 foot wouldn't make sense because you're splitting 10 into like hundredths.
So each piece will be what? 10 will be divided by 100. 10
Yeah.
will be divided by 100. Each piece will be 10 by 100. What is 10 by 100?
10 cents?
Yeah, 10 cents, but it is in feet here. So what will you call 10 by 100 in a fraction format?
10 inches?
Can I call it 1 by 10?
Yeah.
I guess so.
Can I call it as 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10? Can I call it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, some of you got it right, I think. Let me see who got it right once more. Hey, good job. Vihan got it.
What about me?
Yeah, what about
Vihan got it. Lakshanya, your answer, 10 of the pieces is how much, ma? Good job, Ritu. Yuvati, good job. Yuvati, good job, but you did not answer for 10%, right? Yes, Neil, you got it right.
Phew.
Samhit, you got it right. Meera, so 10 of these pieces will amount to what? 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. If I add 10 pieces, how much will it be?
1?
1. So answer is 1
But
feet.
isn't 100 cents equivalent
That's what I said
to $1?
Arnav, then
Yes,
you
Priya.
wait. Arnav, let me check. Arnav, your answer was right.
Is my answer right?
What about me?
Abhi, yours was right, Abhi.
Was my answer right?
Naga, no, half was not right. 1 is the answer, right? 10 of these pieces, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, you have to add 10 pieces, right? So what will happen? 1 by 10, 1 by 10, if you add for 10 times, right, it will become 10 by 10, which is 1 feet. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, one last question to you all on percentages, okay? Yes, ma?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, ma. Okay, suppose guys, if I divide 2 by 10, what will be the answer? If I divide 2 divide by 10, what will be the answer?
5.
How to do this? No, 2 is a
1
smaller
by
number.
5?
Okay.
1 by 5, good job. But you know what? We can use decimals to represent these. How to represent it as a decimal? This is called 2 tenths. I'll call it as 2 tenths. Okay. On a number, right? Meaning you always have used ones, tens, hundreds, right? Then you can put a decimal point. To the right you can go. You can call this as 110. Let me show the place value. This is tens. This is hundreds. See, THS, 100, no 100, but it is hundredths.
Or for a better shortcut, you
10,
can just put
1 by 100. When you go right,
it keeps dividing by 10.
it keeps dividing by 10. The value keeps
By the way, I
dividing
got
by
a
10.
shortcut for writing these.
Suppose
So we could just put
2
point.
tens, I can call it as 0.2, meaning 0.2.
I was wondering if we could put point C, that C stands for tens, and point H.
I didn't exactly get it.
You didn't get it? Okay. What I'm saying is, you have place values of numbers, right? This is ones, tens, right? This is hundreds, right? I'm asking you to talk about the place values on the right side. I'll put a dot on the right side. I can have tens. It starts with tens, then it goes to hundreds. Okay, that means the place value was 1 here, 10 here, 100 here. Whatever number was here, you multiplied by 100. Whatever digit was here, you multiplied by 10. Whatever digit was here, you multiplied by 1. Like that, after the decimal point, if you think about it, the values will be multiplied by 1 by 10. The values will be multiplied by 1 by 100. Now, 0.4, I'll call it 4 tenths. THS will be added. It's not, this is 10, right? This is 100. You see what I mean? This one is TEN THS. HUNDRED THS. Hundreds.
Oh, you're like explaining the decimal things?
Exactly.
Okay, yeah, now I got it. We learned it in school as well.
I realized something weird about the difference between
I just
decimals
didn't
and
understand the question before that.
and like the
Got it.
normal numbers.
Mm-hmm.
In the decimals place, like the higher the number is in the normal digits, it's actually lower. Because hundreds would be more.
True.
Hundreds would be more, but hundreds are less.
Will be very less because you're dividing by 100. Now, sales tax in a town, okay, sales tax of a town, whenever you buy a coat, whenever you buy anything, usually there is sales tax which you need to pay extra. They always say sales tax is, let's say, they tell you, hey, it is 6%.
That's what it is in Michigan.
Okay,
here.
now if I'm buying a coat that's costing $50, please be careful. This is easy for you to do, but you have to apply. Sales tax in a town is 6% of the total value. 6 pieces, when it is split into 100, I have to take up 6 of the pieces and pay extra. You see? Now the coat is selling at $50. When I want to buy this coat at a store, I have to pay the price of the coat plus the tax. Always, any item you buy, that sales tax is included. Okay, only when you buy raw items like rice, you don't have sales tax. But other than that, if you buy anything like a coat or whatever you buy, table, you have to pay the sales tax. Sales tax, usually the store where you buy tells, hey, you have to pay 6% sales tax, 10% sales tax. It's a tax that you pay to the grocer or the store owner. Okay, now what is the sales? Suppose if you're buying a coat of $50, what will be the sales tax you're going to pay, considering you will pay 60% of 50? Please take your time. Good job, Arnav. Neil, correct. Not really, Mira. Lakshanya, I'm checking your answer.
Wait, when will we start doing the thing like
We'll do. Samhit, not really. Samhit, think about it. Will 6 pieces of 50 account to $30, you think? Will 6 pieces be $30? Do a sanity check. Akshara, when I cut $50 into 100 pieces, what will happen? Each piece will be what? It's money, right?
I didn't send it yet.
Oh, I am sorry.
Thinking.
Abhi. Good job, but are you answering in cents or dollars? You need to be careful, Abhi. Yuvati, correct, ma'am. Meera, good job. You got it, lady.
I kind of need help.
Lakshanya, you got it. Who needs help, ma'am?
Me.
Okay, no problem. See, you're going to split the, $50 you're going to send through the person machine. Okay. If you send the $50 through the person machine, each will be 50 cent, 50 cent, 50 cent, right, ma? I am asking what is the value of 6 of the pieces? What is the value of the 6 of the pieces?
Oh, I got it.
$3, okay? Now, as you all are wanting, right, what is this logic? Okay. Yeah. I'm going to bring up some questions. You can do logic today, okay? Let's see. You have to wait a minute though, okay?
Can we about some problems? Can we do them on the board? One.
Yes, Ma, that's what you want,
We still
Yuvati.
have time for a game kit after the logic?
Yes, you have time. You're going to keep quiet, Meera.
Why do you
Yes.
keep asking the
Do we
question?
have to do Kim K?
What, Ma?
Do we have to do Kim K?
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to do spam on it.
Wait, why is there a bunch of 7s on the board?
Yeah, why is there a bunch of sevens?
That's
Okay,
not
let's
a
see
bunch.
this one.
Just
If you
three.
search up
I think it's just a
this,
troubleshoot.
search up
Is that
6,
literal
7.
lucky number?
If you search up 6, 7 on the reactions,
Don't
it
even
weird
remind me of
Chinese
that.
numbers like this.
Wait, what?
I know, right? Isn't that so weird?
Okay.
Wait.
Who
I'm sure.
even just got the idea of typing
Wait,
this
Okay, let's try this
3-digit
one.
lucky number?
wait, what?
I
Okay,
know, right?
can we try this one, guys?
That's funny.
Okay, can we try this one?
I
really
really
want it to be
where like
easier,
is a
guys.
big thing and then it just explodes everywhere.
Okay, let me ask you this.
Hey,
I want it to be a little easy. Okay, let me come up with this. Okay, let me go ahead and have this on the board, okay? How about this? 3 boys. Okay, there are 3 boys. I'm talking about 3 boys. Their names are TJV. Any questions still here?
That is weird names.
There is one girl whose name is K. Okay? They are racing. They are going for a running race. Okay? Okay? So these are these are the statements given to you. Logically, you are going to conclude. That's what it means. That's what we are going to deal with today. Okay? J finishes the race
I love your curses.
ahead of T. Or let me make it a little, I don't want to make it this easy. 2 places ahead of T. 2 places ahead of T. Any questions still here? You're going to, I'll tell you how to come up with this, how to solve it easily. And you can do this by yourself. Okay. Now, first and last were boys. First and last place finishers were boys. Okay, the youngest runner. Youngest runner wins the race. Okay. June was the older brother. I made a mistake.
You mean J, right?
J was the older brother of T. Make sense? Who placed first, second, third, fourth? You know, these kind of logic problems, right? I can give you more. I don't want to depend on the book for these, but definitely we'll do more. Having said that, right, guys, the way you want to do is, see, there are 3 boys. What are we talking about? 3 boys. T, J, V, K. I'll write it like this and draw lines. Okay. Now, they'll place only first, second, third, fourth, right? Let me write it down as well. Okay. I'll put them into columns. Okay. Now, you know what I do? Logically, if you want to solve, you can solve it quickly by putting ticks and wrongs in this. Let's try. Okay,
So
first and last, the biggest clue that I have seen is first and last place finishers were boys. Right? So,
there be T, J, or
K
V.
did not come in the first place or the last place for sure. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, that gave me a big clue indeed. Now, youngest runner wins the race. I don't know who is the youngest runner. Okay, J was the older brother of T. See, there's something given about J and T here. J was older than T. Okay.
So maybe we can use that clue to maybe
Wait,
think
another one
that-
first.
Well, that maybe gives a clue
Another one
that
first.
maybe gives a clue that maybe T, because there's a older brother, meaning there's a possibility that T might be the youngest.
Yeah,
Maybe the winner.
V1.
You have to cross out J.
V1.
You have to cross out?
J.
Where did I cross out J?
For the first place. Because it said the youngest runner won the race. And J was the oldest runner. So,
I don't really get the problem.
For J, I think we should cross
J
off.
seems to be older than somebody, right?
Yeah.
J did not come first. That's true.
I didn't really get it.
But again, T also did not come first, you see.
Yeah.
Because
V.
T finished the race after J. So T also did not win. So who won clearly? See, the three rows got into marks. So the only possibility of a tick here is this.
And now
We won the race. Okay, so if we won the race, guys, if we won the race, he cannot come second, third, and fourth. You can cross that off. Correct?
Am I correct?
Now, who placed fourth? How to find that? Who placed fourth? Because there are only two. I can finish this.
I know where J went.
Where did J go?
J was probably. So I think J is gonna be 2.
I think J is 2 because 2 places. You have to give them 2 places, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, J and T should be 2 places apart. So this is the only possibility for 2 places apart. Correct? So I can put into marks for all the others. Now,
the only one
left
for K is third place.
Oh yeah.
Because it's first, second, and fourth. So
it's the slowest.
Yeah. So is this easy, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
When you put it into a diagram like this, logic puzzles become very easy. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Our logic puzzle is kind of like Sudoku.
Logic puzzles are...
some of them are riddles.
Sudoku is a type of logical puzzle. Makes sense?
Kind of tricky, so I'll practice it a bit more.
Riddles are kind of
Only if you practice more, it'll be easy. But 1 second, guys. I want to give you more. See, right? Give a minute, okay? I don't want to depend on the book for this one, but just hold on, okay? You have to be patient. Give me a minute. Give me exactly 1 minute. I'll give you.
Can we go and breakout EDUs?
What is it, ma?
You know what breakouts are?
What is it?
A breakout where like you
breakout. Yeah,
breakouts are cool.
We'll go to breakout and do what?
The logic puzzles.
Yeah, good idea.
But why should you go to breakout? I don't want you to
Make
go to
a riddle.
It'll be more fun.
Yeah.
And we'll learn how to be more independent.
Make a riddle logic puzzle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be so cool.
Yeah,
we
that
could
would be
do a
so
breakout
fun.
like by yourselves or in a group. Can we please?
Yeah, please.
No, you are either going to have a GIM kit or a breakout only. GIM kit is already...
GIM
kit is already...
Can I host the GIM kit?
Okay. Okay, how about this? How can you be standing behind your mother when she's standing behind you?
Huh?
How can you be standing
By your shadow,
behind
by
your
your
mother?
shadow.
Shadows or
Just 2 of you.
Mirror, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. I really want to find out this. We are going to finish this logic puzzle now. Okay, let's try this one. Mia, Noah, Olivia have all scheduled summer camps in different cities. The camps are focused on specific themes: drama, technology, or tennis. Can you figure out who is going to which camp? When are they starting? Oh, there's too many. But then we'll solve, guys. Not a hard one. Lakshanya, you had your hand raised for something?
Can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, please go and come back. Okay, guys. Now, Olivia is going on a camp in Minneapolis. Olivia is going to Minneapolis.
Drama.
So she's going to technology.
Olivia is going to Minneapolis. Huh? How do you know? You guys can do it as well. I'll watch.
Okay.
Noah will be in Chicago.
But only if you're sure you have to take.
I'll be writing down the.
Noah is looking for it. Oh, okay. This is easy. Really easy.
Okay.
I'm finished.
So
I'll try my best on this. Is mine working? Yeah, it is.
Mine's not working.
Hang on, I'm figuring out which one to pick. Yeah, that looks good.
I did that wrong for a second. Wait.
Guys, who's putting the into marks? Mia will see that you did it incorrectly. If you are incorrect, I'll pick out.
No way.
How come two people will have a tick here? Technology camp, only one can go, right?
No.
Guys, you cannot make, if you're not sure, don't
Mia's
do.
really lucky.
Yeah, there's a camp in California for
Mia
July.
gets to go to California. No fair.
So, Noah is
She's
expecting
unlucky.
herself.
No. Mia's going to California. Wait, no. I need a race.
Olivia, what is talked about Olivia? She can improve her.
Technology. Computer.
Then who put Mia in California in July?
What? Who did?
No, Mia can't go
California.
Mia can't go over here. Mia can't.
Okay, Noah's playing tennis in
Here.
Chicago.
You have to go slowly, guys. Step by step, you have to
Wait,
go.
I made a mistake. Where's the eraser?
Noah's playing tennis in Chicago
It
on
has to be gone.
August 1st. And then after that,
I can't annotate.
You can't annotate?
I can't.
That's okay. If you can't annotate, no problem at all.
switching it up.
Noise.
I hope I could annotate.
I'm going to wait, watch. Let me see whether you're all as a team working together and letting me know the answer.
Okay,
Guys,
Noah.
everyone, Noah is playing tennis on August 1st in Chicago.
Yeah, Noah.
Why did two check marks in this pile?
Olivia's going to
See, that's what I'm saying. You need to have some sort of team
Oh wait, I
spirit
thought
here.
Olivia was Mia for a second.
Okay, guys, there's two
Now
check
I know what
marks
we
under
said
the
we
tennis.
Wait, no. Never
You have to
mind.
fix that.
Mia's the
There's
luckiest
3
one.
check marks under the tennis. You have to fix
Okay,
that.
can you make the letters smaller?
The letters, you want it to be bigger?
Smaller. Somebody is writing the facts.
Noah is.
Can't annotate anymore.
Wait,
Me
okay.
neither.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no,
can
no.
annotate.
I
I
can.
can annotate. I'm good.
Yeah, I can.
I can
Guys, I
annotate.
think we finished it, but it's kind of messy.
Okay, now, who can summarize what you did? I'm okay.
I don't really get it.
Huh?
I don't really get it because there's so many like confusions.
Fine.
I can.
I can.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to summarize it. Mia is going to
Minneapolis.
No.
Oh, no.
LA.
It's,
Mia's
California.
going to.
LA.
No, Olivia's
California.
going to
Yeah,
Minneapolis.
California.
Mia is going where?
California.
California for?
Olivia is going
Drama.
to Minneapolis.
Drama.
Olivia
Tennis.
is going to Minneapolis for a technology camp. Great. Mia is going where?
She's going to
California. Mia's going to Kenya in July.
California in July. Good
California.
job, guys. Good job. Mia is going to California in July. Olivia is going to
Minneapolis.
Minneapolis
Perfect.
for a technology camp.
Yeah.
Good job.
Where is Jimky?
My favorite from Michigan.
And then Noah is going to
Chicago on August 1st.
Wait, one. They should have
Chicago
traded out Minneapolis for New York.
on August
1st.
1st. Okay, and she is going to attend a theater camp, correct? Drama, correct?
Yeah, drama.
Okay, and Olivia is going when?
Olivia.
August
14th.
August 14th.
Good, guys. And the other one is July 21st. Makes sense? And
Yes.
then California, and what camp is she going? Tennis.
Tennis.
Yes.
Good job, guys. So
There's
when you
no
given a logic,
point
I just
in
want you guys to
already.
understand how to solve. Ritu, are you with me? Samhit, are you with me in doing this?
There's no point in being Olivia.
Okay. Samhit and Ritu, are you with me? Will you be able to solve problems? Ritu and Samhit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's wait here. What give kit do you have, Ma?
I have Apocalypse.
Okay, 5-minute gim kit you can do.
Sure.
Yay!
Hang on.
You sent the link in
Go ahead.
Okay, where am I?
Put the link in
You
chat.
guys see me?
Where?
What's the code?
Amma, do you have
Okay,
a
hang
proper?
on.
Uh-huh. You can send me the code. I can as well host, I feel. What do you think?
I think I could do it. Are you able to see it?
No.
Yes.
No.
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 Send it to me.
Okay, how about I'll just
You can't see it.
Okay. Hey,
The code.
Meera, can you send me the link?
yeah, I'll send you the link.
Yes, that's better.
I just need to sign back
Send me
in.
the link. So for this week, you'll work on percentages and logic puzzles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Kits. I'm gonna do spam.
Meera, did you send it to me, Meera?
Almost done. Okay.
Meera.
Bless you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
wait, I lost the tab where it like, wait, I think I could get back. Okay, yeah, I'm in. So the code is 307050. Let me send that.
Meera, do you want to send that to me here?
70. Yeah, this is the code.
Uh-huh.
What's the code?
307050.
Yeah.
I don't see the link.
30775. What's the
You have to
code?
go to you have to go to GimKit join.
307750.
307050.
Yeah.
05.
I'm gonna change my skin because it doesn't look good.
Wait, what is it? What's it again?
The code is 307050. Ritu, if you do not want to join, you can leave.
Only $5 for
Wait,
purple.
what is it?
That's crazy.
What is it?
Absolutely okay, ma.
What is it?
Guys, only 5
Yeah,
people
yeah,
can
yeah.
join it. Or
Wait, what is
teacher.
it?
Okay, is everyone in?
No,
What is
only
it?
5 players can join because it's not a teacher.
Wait, what is
account.
it?
Okay,
Wait, what is the code?
307050. Guys, I have a question.
Stop, ma.
Play this thing?
Miss Priya.
Stop.
Wait, what is it?
Yuti, please.
Okay, so the code is 307050.
Oh my God.
Miss Priya, since I'm not playing, can I go?
Yes, ma, you can leave.
Okay, bye.
Tia,
Hey.
the game is full. Only 5 people can play.
Okay. Hey, Meera, Yeah, I'm going to stop you. I'm going to stop this, ma. Meera,
Yeah?
I'm going to stop this. Only 5 people can join, looks like.
Oh, okay. I'll just.
Stop, ma. Stop the game, ma.
Okay, I'll stop the game. I'm going to X out the tab. Okay.
Yeah.
What?
I will let you play Gimkit. You're going to wait. Okay?
Wait, I think I'm gonna host a different one that
Not really, ma. Meera,
Host your map.
Meera, I'm not going to let you. I'm going to get you a game.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah, but I think I did a don't look down one.
Not really, ma, Meera. Are you ready with it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, the code is 560 I think, yeah.
56064.
She has written it.
56064.
56064.
I sent the code.
56064.
56064. 56064.
Let me see. Do I have enough to shop? No way. There's a pink axolotl that's only $800.
Wait, what?
Meera, I want this game to go ahead and finish in another 3 minutes. I have the next
Is
class.
everyone here? Is everyone in?
Meera,
Yeah.
you're going to set the game for 3 minutes. I have the next class in.
This game full.
Okay.
Miss How?
Should I just start it? You could join in
It's
late.
still not allowing me.
Wait,
Yeah.
Meera, I don't think I can continue this. Okay. See, the others are not able to join. So we are not going to have this today, but I can let you have. I will design mine. You can do it.
Okay.
Okay. But I think we can do it only next week.
Okay.
For homework.
Let me see. Give me a minute. If I can arrange one, I'll get you. Wait a minute.
What for homework?
Since you guys are asking, wait a minute. I'll help you.
Really? Only
Wait,
one?
ma. Let me see, ma.
Okay. This is so cool.
You're going to wait a minute. I'll see whether I can.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll just do this for now then.
Yes, please.
Host a map so we can have 60 players just join in one game.
What's a join?
When others are not able to join, I cannot let you continue. It's so hard on them as well, right?
Yeah. Did they put the wrong code in?
No, the Gimkit is allowing only few to join.
Oh.
No, if you host it as a student, you can only make like 5 people.
Wait, what? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 people in the game.
Yeah, so the others are not able to. Others are not able to join, right?
On your build.
Yeah. So wait, hold on. Okay.
Because the don't look down for some reason only like picks 4 players.
Doesn't matter. Ma, it's okay. I understand. Okay, doesn't matter. We'll see. Okay. How about this? How about this? You can all play one. Let's see whether it works. I don't know if it will work. Let's see. Because I didn't prepare this, I've given you something related to math. Oh my god.
This is easy.
Not really, guys. I'm not able to do this at all. Okay, wait. No. Can you use this link?
Wait, what's the code?
Yeah, what's the code?
I've given you the link, right?
Yeah, I got the link.
Does that link work? No.
No, this one doesn't work. The first one doesn't work.
Okay, guys, let's not waste time. I sincerely request I'll be prepared with one next week. As soon as you come in, we can play next week.
Okay, but whoever joined my game, can we play like right now?
Homework will be, ma, a few pages in the logic, okay? Basically, 65, you can do till 71. 65 to 71 in the book, and I will add one more assignment for percentages.
Okay.
Makes sense? Sorry about the game.
Joined my game kit. Can we like continue with it?
I have a class now.
Oh.
Bye bye.
Sorry, ma. Really sorry, but we will do it next week. I will prepare and come. I promise.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you for understanding, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Ma. Thank you for
you.
understanding as well.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
Bye, guys. How are you guys?
Good.
What are you doing in school? What are you doing in school?
Right now we're just like reviewing everything that we learned by now. Because we have map testing going on.
Map testing going on. Okay, I heard from your dad. Good to know.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Ma?
Okay, sorry. It said that my microphone wasn't working, so I want to see if it was working now.
Oh, okay. Okay, you're all doing map test. Okay, that's good to know. But yeah, we need to keep going, right?
We're not doing map testing, but we're doing multiplying and dividing fractions.
Yeah, but that's easy. We finished
Yeah.
it, right?
It was
Yeah.
really like easy for me because I already learned it here.
Yeah, I know. But let's see. We'll do some. Meaning, wait. I just want to keep going with whatever we have. So wait, give me a minute. I have something for you today. Did you have any questions on your test? Did you have any questions on your test?
No.
None. Okay.
I did.
Okay. What was that, Ma?
It was the part where like on the last part when it was like about the dividing, like the dividing.
Okay. Should I bring
of
up the test you're thinking?
I mean, if you want to, but it was like the dividing part of the fractions. Like I understood it, but then I kind of like forgot what to do. So I just like remembered something that you said, but like I kind of forgot it.
Okay. Can I go ahead to the test and you can let me know what you didn't understand? Can we try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go to the test. For the test, right? Give me a minute. Forms. I'm going to go into the test, guys. Let's see what questions you have and then we'll move on. What was the test name? Do you all remember?
It was like
TEEX 5K 5L, right? Yep,
yeah, I'm pretty sure.
5K 5L. Okay, let me share my screen now. Class. Okay, how about this? Oh, that's not it, right? That's not it.
Yeah,
That's not it. Hold on. Here we go. Go ahead. Do you see
the questions?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that one.
Which was the question?
The question was 1 second.
Go ahead, Ma.
It was the one that was like
Which was that?
17.
17, okay.
It was like a box holds marbles in groups.
A box hold marbles, okay, in groups. You want to explain? Who wants to explain? Okay, a box is holding groups of marbles 1 by 3 kilogram, 1 by 3 kilogram, 1 by 3 kilogram, like that. Groups of 1 by 3 kilograms are in the box. Did you draw like this? You'll never make mistake when you start drawing, right?
Yeah, I did not draw like that.
In this box, there are 3 kilogram of marbles. Now, do you know what to do? How many groups are there? Do you know what to do?
There's 5 groups.
Don't count whatever I have written. That's not correct. There are more groups. I don't know how many groups are there, right, Nivina?
Oh, yeah.
So, how do I do this? I want to find out how many 1 by 3 groups are there in that 3 kilogram. What operation should I do?
You should do.
Mm-hmm.
You should do division.
Yes. What by what?
1/3 divided by
Why would you divide 1/3? What is the main thing? See, Nivina, the thing is, I really want you guys to put your full focus. What are you doing? What are you splitting into what? Write it. I told you last week, right? You have to write the big number here, and then you're splitting up into what numbers here, and then write out your division here. You won't make mistakes. Can we try?
Yeah.
Try. You're going to write on the board. Avika, all good, Avika?
All good. There's just a problem. It wasn't showing my screen. That's all.
Yeah, I understood. Mom helped. Good job. I really like that. Go ahead, Mom.
So should I like?
Yeah, what should be divided by what?
It should be. I don't like. It should be maybe.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Ayan, would you like to help, or Shrihan, would you like to help, or Avika, would you like to help her?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So there's if there's 3 kilograms in total, you divide 3 divided by 1/3, and then you use the keep, change, flip technique.
Good.
So
go ahead and show her.
So you divide it, and then you use the KCF technique. So this changed into 3/1 divided by actually multiplied. Because you change division to multiplication, and then you flip the 1/3 to 3/1.
Good job. Did you get
and then
it?
you multiply
See,
it.
Good job. 3 is the total. So you divide 3 by 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. How many 1 by 3s you have to find, right, Ma? So you convert this into a problem. 3 divided by 1 by 3. That's what he said. 3 times 3 by 1, which is 9. Did you get it, Nivina?
Okay. Yeah, I do.
Okay. What other questions you had on the test?
The other ones I understood after like looking at the.
Good. Okay. Now you know what I'm going to do. I want to check out. Give me a minute. I want to check out something and then move on. 5K, 5L we did, right? You're going to give me exactly 1 minute. And did we discuss quadrants? Coordinate plane, did we discuss?
Yeah.
Yeah,
we did, right? Okay. So 5K, 5L we did. 5K, 5L. That's interesting. This is not 5th grade, right? Oh, this is... What is going on, guys? Something is not right. I don't know what is not right. Give me 1 minute. Elementary. Give me 1 minute. 5K, 5L, right? I just want to be sure where we were. Hold on. Okay. Okay. I want to go ahead with this one, guys. You all know what are prime numbers and composite numbers?
Yeah.
You all know what are prime and composite numbers. Have you done order of operations?
Yes, PEMDAS.
Order of operations.
I know it, but I haven't learned it in school.
What is
I've learned it in school.
I forgot it.
And have you discussed? We have not discussed volumes, right, guys?
No.
Okay. Let's see this one. Okay, have we studied, we have not in this class at least studied 2D geometry. In the sense, 2D geometry means what is the difference between, what are the quadrilaterals that you know of? Do you know about a rectangle? Do you know about a rhombus? Let's see. I'll ask you more. Meaning, how do you differentiate a square and a rectangle? Do you know?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and start that. Okay. Let me share my screen. I'll ask you a couple of questions and then explain some concepts. Let's see. You know triangles, right? All of you know triangles, right? Do you know how to categorize triangles?
Yeah.
Do you know how to categorize triangles? Based on sides you can do, or based on angles you can do. Okay. Based on sides, the 3 sides can be equal, 2 sides can be equal, or none of them need to be equal. See the marking. All sides equal. Okay.
Your screen's black.
2 sides equal. My screen is black. For the others, how is it?
It's good.
I can see.
I can see.
For me, it's black. I can just see your pen.
Can you please log off and log in back quick?
Yeah.
Okay. So now all sides equal. All sides equal, 2 sides equal, no sides equal. What are these called? What are these triangles called? Come on, guys.
First one's called.
When all the sides are equal, what is it called? What is a triangle called, guys? You don't know or you know?
I forgot the word.
Equilateral?
Equilateral. Good job. Equilateral.
But can you hear me or not?
I can hear you, Mavika. 2 sides are equal means what is it called? 2 sides are equal means? Isosceles triangle.
I can see now.
No sides are equal means what is it called? Scalene triangle. Any questions on this?
I never learned the other two.
Okay. Now let's move on and learn based on angles. Let's move on and we are going to base it out of angles. Suppose all the angles are acute, are less than 90 degrees. Suppose I have one of the angles greater than 90 degrees. What is this triangle called? And the last one I have 90 degree angle. What are these triangles called?
The first one is called an acute triangle.
Acute triangle. That's how I ask people to remember. Acute triangle.
The second one is a
triangle.
A right angle triangle, I think.
No, the second
Obtuse.
Obtuse triangle.
Oh, no.
And the last one is
one's right angle.
Right.
right triangle.
It's triangle.
Okay, in this context, will anybody of you know what is the sum of the angles in a triangle?
180 degrees.
How do you know?
I don't know. I just guessed.
Good guess. Okay, what is this 100? See, guys.
I think I know.
One another thing what I want you to know is, if you measure from this side to this side, how much, you all know that this is 90 degrees, right? I combine one more 90 degree. How much is that from here to here?
180.
180. Angle on a line. This is a line. Angle on a line is 180 degrees. Angle around a point is how much?
360.
360. Why? 90, 90, 90, 90. 360 degrees. From here, I come back. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
But now, we are going to see angle in a triangle. Angles in a triangle. Why is it 180 degree? You want to know, right? You don't know the reason, but you know that it's equal to 180, correct? So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you why. Let me see. Let me see if I can do it really here. Yes, there is some animation YouTube will watch. Let's see this one. This is interesting, guys. Definitely you have to see. Do you see? I want you to see this. See. See what happens. They select 3 angles, right? Within the triangle. See what they are doing. They are cutting out the angles. See what happens. What happened? When they cut out the angles of the triangle and put it together, what happened?
It's 180 degrees.
a hole.
180. Beat any triangle, the same thing happens. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Beat any triangle, the same thing happens. Make sense, guys? Whatever triangles you take, it will be the same. You want to see this one? This triangle, let's see. Yes, see here? You're able to see, right?
Yeah.
Did you see that? So whatever triangle you take and put the angles, you cut out the angles alone and put it together. You can take a piece of paper, cut out the angles, put it together, it will fit into a straight line. Make sense? Okay, now more to come, guys. You know what are quadrilaterals? What are quadrilaterals?
Four-sided shapes.
4 corners. 4-sided shapes.
4-sided shapes, good. 4-sided polygons. I am thinking you all know what are polygons, correct? Do you all know what are polygons?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now we are going to understand the properties of a rectangle, parallelogram, square, rhombus, trapezoid and a kite. All these are quadrilaterals. Okay, now let's see. We'll first go with a parallelogram. For a parallelogram, what are the requirements for a parallelogram? We are going to learn a lot, guys, so please remember. What are the requirements for it to be a, what is this? 2 arrows and then two arrows. What does it mean?
They should both if you draw a straight line, they should never touch.
Yes, that means what they are?
They're
They are
parallel.
parallel. Good job. So opposite sides are parallel. Can I say that? Opposite sides are
Parallel.
opposite sides are parallel. Now, opposite angles are equal as well. Opposite angles are equal. Can we say that? Opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, these are new ones that you're learning. Opposite angles are equal. What are angles? You all know what are angles?
Yeah.
This, and this. They are equal. Similarly, this and this are equal. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what a diagonal is? Do you know what a diagonal is? You know or you don't know? You have to tell me, guys.
I don't think I know what that is.
Okay. When you have a see, if there is a line, this is called a vertex. Okay. What is consecutive vertex? What are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means I am referring to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 4, 5 or 98, 99. These are consecutive numbers. Then what are consecutive vertices? In this, what are consecutive vertices? In this, what are consecutive vertices? I told you consecutive numbers. So what are consecutive vertices? Try, guys. Ayan, can you try? Consecutive numbers? Huh?
For any of the letters.
What are consecutive vertices here? Consecutive means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. How are these numbers positioned? Next numbers, right? So what are consecutive vertices?
3, 4.
Vertices means here. Yes, 3, 4 are consecutive numbers. Here, what are consecutive vertices? Vertices are A, B, C, D. What are consecutive? Which vertices are consecutive?
A and B.
A and B. One more pair.
C. C and D.
C and D, B and C. They're all consecutive vertices. But if I talk about A and C, are they consecutive?
No.
No. So line that join non-consecutive vertices. Line that join non-consecutive vertices is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. You got it?
Yeah.
This is a diagonal. You should know the definition of a diagonal. That's all.
No.
Can I move on?
No.
Can I move on? Shrihan, you're good, Shrihan?
No.
What happened?
Is my mic working now?
Yes, your mic is working.
Okay, good. My mic wasn't working before. So.
Okay, good. I'm glad you got back with the mic working. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, the parallelogram has opposite sides parallel, opposite angles equal. See, when I call Ayan, he has some characteristics. When I call Shrihan, he has Shrihan's characteristics, right? If another person has Shrihan's characteristic, I can call him Shrihan, right? That's how it's going to work. Let's see. So the characteristics of a parallelogram are opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are parallel. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Now, how about a rectangle and a square? What do you think about a rectangle? What are the properties of a rectangle? I am marking. It does say something. What does it say? They tell the properties. They tell the behaviors. What are the properties?
A and B are
opposite sides.
They're parallel.
Equal, opposite sides parallel, and then what about the angles?
Right angle.
Right angle.
Need 4 right angles. Correct?
Yeah.
So the opposite angles are equal only, right? Now, can I call this rectangle a parallelogram? Can I call this rectangle a parallelogram?
The sides are parallel.
Yes.
I can call because it obeys all the properties of the parallelogram. Can I call the parallelogram a rectangle?
Yeah.
Can I call the parallelogram a rectangle?
Yes.
How? Can you explain?
You can call it, could I use the marker?
Yeah, please.
Okay. It's not working. Okay, now then. So if you draw a rectangle, a parallelogram means that the sides never touch if you just draw something straight up. And then if we change the color to another one, like pink or something, and then we draw a line up and it goes on forever and ever, we see that the lines never touch. They have a big gap over
Very
here.
nice, Ma. But then I'm asking whether you can call a parallelogram as a rectangle. Does the parallelogram satisfy the properties of a rectangle?
Yeah. And both sides are longer.
No, right?
Yeah.
A parallelogram, you cannot call it as a rectangle. Why?
Oh,
parallelogram, yeah, the opposite sides are parallel, no doubt. This is correct in a parallelogram. Check each of the properties.
Oh, it's because a rectangle, it's supposed to be straight. Like
a rectangle need to have 4 right angles. That is not present here. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Good. So, but a rectangle I can call it as a parallelogram. Why? because the only parallelogram just needs these two sides to be parallel and opposite angles are equal, 90 degrees in a rectangle. So this can be called as a parallelogram, but I cannot call a parallelogram a rectangle. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, how about a square? Square has all four sides equal and all 90 degrees. Four sides equal, all 90 degrees. Make sense? Can I call a square a parallelogram? Can I call a square a parallelogram?
Yeah.
No. You can't.
Okay, who says we can? Who says we can't?
No, wait, we can.
Yeah, we can.
We can. This is definitely a parallelogram because opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Everything is obeyed. How about a rhombus? Rhombus. What do you mean by a rhombus?
You can call that a parallelogram.
Opposite sides are parallel, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Make sense?
Yeah.
All sides are equal. That's all. Now, can I call the rhombus a parallelogram? Can I call the rhombus a parallelogram?
Yeah.
I can. Good. Very nice. Rhombus means all of the sides should be equal, but it doesn't need to be 90-degree angles. It need not be 90-degree angles. Make sense? That's the difference between a square and a rhombus.
Isn't it basically even it looks like it's not 90 degrees, but it actually is.
It need not be, meaning even if it is not 90-degree angles on all angles, it can be called as a rhombus as long as all sides are equal. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All angles need not be 90 degrees in a rhombus. Okay. How do you remember this? This is so hard to remember, right? So what did we discuss? We discussed a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle and a square. And we also discussed triangles, right? But one last thing I want to discuss with you is a trapezoid. Trapezoid is a quadrilateral which needs exactly one pair of parallel sides. One pair of parallel sides which is called the base. Any questions? They are the bases. One pair of parallel sides is called the base. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Now I'm going to go ahead and give you a cheat sheet. Let's see what did we not cover in the cheat sheet, please. So you understood the differences of all of these. Quadrilaterals. Yep. Let's see. See, I don't want you to go ahead. Okay. Okay. This is what I want you to learn in short, but I really do not want you to get the full thing out of this. You don't have to know the full thing, but see here, what I want you to know is a four-sided figure is a quadrilateral. That's on top. Quadrilateral can either be a parallelogram or a trapezoid, because in parallelogram you need two pairs of parallel sides. In trapezoid you just need one pair of parallel sides. Then a parallelogram can be a rectangle or a rhombus. You see? Make sense?
Yeah.
The square, right? This is the youngest child. When you go up, they are the parents. The square obeys all the properties of a rectangle, rhombus and a parallelogram. You see? Because square's parent you have rectangle, rhombus, and rhombus rectangle parent is parallelogram. So the square which is at the fag end, which is at the lowest point, will obey all the properties of the rectangle, all the properties of the rhombus, all the properties of the parallelogram, all the properties of the quadrilateral. You got it?
Yeah.
See, whatever is lower can be called whatever upper, but upper ones can't be called the lower ones. Upper ones can be called as the upper ones only. Rectangle can be called as a parallelogram, but rectangle can't be called as a square. Make sense? Make sense? Yeah. Parent will resemble his parent. Child will resemble the parent, but the parent will not resemble the child. That's what happens in reality too, right? Nivina, did you follow?
Yeah.
Yeah. So trapezoid and parallelogram are children of the quadrilateral. That's enough for you. Okay. Now one type of trapezoid you should know. When these two are called the legs of the of the trapezoid. When the legs are equal, it's called an isosceles trapezoid. Make sense?
Yeah.
When the legs are equal, it's called an isosceles trapezoid. Any questions till now? Any questions till now?
No.
None? Okay. Okay, now let me go ahead and ask you some questions based on this. Let's see. You're going to answer this. Okay. I have 2 questions. You're going to say 1 and 2 and send me the answer for those. Oh, something happened, guys. Give me a minute. It's not going to work. How about this? Can you do, please put 1 and 2 for each problem and send me the answers. Which of the following shapes can be classified as a quadrilateral and a parallelogram but is not a rectangle or a square? That's a nice one. Based on the diagram, you can easily do. So what is the answer for 1 and 2? Let's see, guys. I'm going to wait. Just send 2 answers. Take your time. 2 answers you need to send. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Shrihan. Good job, Avika. Nice listening overall. Shrihan, I'm waiting for your answer, ma. I am waiting for your answer. Guys, all of you answer only, I can go ahead because there are only 3 kids today and you should answer. Nivina, correct. 4 kids, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Nivina, correct. Avika, correct. Shrihan and Ayan, I'm waiting for your answers. Shrihan did not respond and Ayan did not respond. Can I get your answers, guys? Can we try?
For
I'm here, ma.
for 2, can I explain?
Yes, absolutely, Nivina. Go ahead and explain.
Right now, or should I wait?
Ayan, 2 only. Ayan did not get it right. Now you can explain.
Okay.
For 2,
Just
first one everybody got it right. Shrihan, you got 1 and 2, 1 incorrect. 1 I'll explain. Go ahead, Nivina.
So for 2, what I did was like I kind of like thought about each thing, and then I like crossed it out then. So for square has right angles, and it says that none of its angles are 90 degrees, so it can't be square. So I knew A wasn't right. And it's the same thing for a rectangle, because a rectangle has right angles, which is 90 degrees, and it can't be rhombus either, because a rhombus is all sides are equal, and it says, and it doesn't mention it, but like all sides are like equal, which says that it's not there on the thing. So I knew it wasn't rhombus. So then C, I got, and then I knew it was parallelogram, because the opposite sides are equal, and it's 90, but none of its angles are 90 degrees.
Makes sense, ma. Good explanation. However, Ayan, did you understand why it is not a rhombus? Rhombus means all sides are equal, I told you, right?
Yeah.
This one clearly says opposite sides are equal. We don't know whether all the sides are equal or not. You see, this is the same as this they have given. And they've also given this is the same as this, but we don't know whether all the 4 are equal, right, Ayan?
Yeah.
So I can just say this is a parallelogram. And coming to Shrihan, which of the following shapes can be classified as a quadrilateral? All are quadrilaterals. Okay, but it is not a rectangle or a square. It's not a rectangle or a square. Okay. But it should be a quadrilateral and a parallelogram. So it's not a trapezoid or a kite. Both are not parallelograms because both pairs of sides are not parallel for them. So now the answer can be rhombus or a parallelogram. But the thing is, it's not a rectangle. It's not a square. You can classify it as a quadrilateral and a parallelogram. This is a quadrilateral and a parallelogram. This is a quadrilateral and a parallelogram. But is not a rectangle or a square. Is not a rectangle or a square. How did you do this? It was a little Avika. How did you do this?
Which question?
See this one. Which of the following shapes can be classified as both a quadrilateral and a parallelogram?
So
it's not a rectangle or a square.
So I got the answer because, first of all, which of the following shapes can be classified as both quadrilateral and parallelogram, but is not a rectangle or square? We know both of those are can be classified as both, and we could find one that's similar to it. And a kite, it looks like this.
Kite and trapezoid are done. They are not the answers. Very clear. But how did you decide between rhombus and a parallelogram?
So a parallelogram is already one of the things, is already what they already described. Because it says over here, a parallelogram, they already said that. So it's maybe gonna say not to do that, because it's already one of the things that they're describing, and rhombus is basically a square.
Okay.
But it's not exactly.
So they have already talked about a parallelogram. So rhombus is a type of parallelogram and is a type of quadrilateral. Makes sense. Good job.
Oh yeah, and it is like it could be a rectangle or square, like if you.
Yeah. I see it. It can. Yeah. Is not a rectangle. Oh, is not a rectangle or a square? Let's see this one. How about this? This is a tricky question, guys. Let me see whether you get it. Thinking is required, guys. Which statement is always true? Every square is a rhombus. Every parallelogram is a square. Every rhombus is a rectangle. Every parallelogram is a rhombus. Hard, right? They're going to confuse you like this in the homework. Let me wait and see. Wait to hear from you. You're going to think and decide. Only the attributes is going to be discussed this week. For the entire week, that will be the homework. Can I get answers as well?
I got the answer.
You got the answer? Good job. Did you guys do the 25-minute test?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was hard.
It was really hard.
I was left with 2 seconds.
It wasn't that hard.
I went over my time. It was just the time for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the time was the only thing.
Time was hard. Okay, I see.
I started rushing. That's why I got.
Did you get your scores?
Yeah, I got 4 wrong.
I got 1 wrong.
I got 5 wrong.
That's really
I got 4 wrong because on the last 4 I had to rush because there's like 3 seconds left.
I see. Okay, go ahead. But you enjoyed doing it?
Yeah, it was fun and easy.
Okay, nice. Okay, Ayan, that's correct. Shrihan, correct. So you guys are good with this. Do you see it? Avika, can you rework on it? And Nivina, can I get your answer?
I'm still thinking about it.
Wait, did I put the wrong one?
Avika and Nivina, yes, I think so. That's why I'm asking you to redo.
I know, I think I did I accidentally put the wrong. Wait, when they say, for example, every rhombus is a rectangle, do they mean it looks like a rectangle or it has the same attributes of a rectangle?
Okay, when I see a square, I can just say it's a rhombus. When I see a parallelogram, can I call it a square? When I see a rhombus, can I call it a rectangle? When I see any parallelogram, can I call it a rhombus? That's what they're asking. Let me see. Nivina, that's correct. Good job. Avika, correct, Avika. Now you got it. Very nice. Okay, guys, I feel like you guys are very good with this, but at the same time, we'll go over few more questions. I want a little confusing question now.
The one before this was like a bit confusing.
Before this is confusing for you? Okay. The diagonals divide each figure into 2 triangles. Which of the figures are always divided into 2? Congruent means same shape, same size. Same shape, same size. That's a difficult question. I'm going to be done. You have to join.
Congruent means the same thing, right?
Wait, is it saying like when you fold it? Or like just like when you cut it in half, is it triangle?
When you cut along the diagonal, they're asking.
Okay.
When you cut along the diagonal, they just need to understand that. When you cut along the diagonal is what they're asking.
It went to my end.
What does it say?
7:30 to 8 o'clock. Either way, I think they're done.
Done, guys? Did you get it, ma? Yes, I got all answers. Yes. Good job, Abhika. Good job, Nivina. Good job, Ayan. Shrihan. How trapezoid doesn't cut equally, right? Shrihan. Shrihan. See, ma, in a trapezoid.
Shall I join?
Yeah, you can join.
Shall I go up so it doesn't?
Trapezoid does not cut it equally, right?
No, I thought it was equal.
When you think about it, this is a shorter side, this is a longer side, right? How will the diagonal cut it equally? Do you see what I mean? You see, okay. It can be like this. It can be like this as well. Do you think it's equal? You see, did you get it, Shrihan? It can be like this. It can be like this. Do you see? Trapezoid can be either way. This and this need not be parallel, right, ma? So, do you think they'll be congruent? Means same shape, same size? Do you understand? So, the answer will only be this. Any questions here? Okay. Can I go ahead? Okay. One another concept. See, guys, I think you can handle these questions as a part of the homework. Okay. I don't want to be going on doing this. Okay. There are some 70 questions, I think. Okay. Please do. Based on whatever we have done only. Okay. How about this? Maybe one more. I'm going to move on and show you the area of a triangle. Okay. That is useful for you all. Go ahead. Coral was asked to draw a rhombus on the board. Coral drew a square. Ken told Coral that she did not draw a rhombus. Coral responded, a square is a rhombus. Which statement supports Coral's reasoning that a square is a rhombus?
Wait, does congruent mean like
I keep telling you always, congruent means same shape, same size. Same shape, same size. All are same. Same shape, same size. Avika responded incorrectly. What is the property of a rhombus? That's what they're asking. For a square to be called as a rhombus, it has to obey the properties of a rhombus. Did you guys get it? Ayan, that's right. Nivina. Ayan. No, that's not right. Nivina, that's right. What is the property of a rhombus, Ayan?
Like all the. Oh wait.
Rhombus, we know that all are quadrilaterals. Any rhombus or square or anything should have four sides. There's no doubt about that. That's something else that really says it's a rhombus. Yes, Ayan, good job.
Did I get it correct?
Avika, I told you that I don't know, ma. Yeah, no, Avika. Rhombus, I told you the only requirement about a rhombus is it should have 4 equal sides. That's the only requirement of a basic rhombus. It should have 4 equal sides.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought a rhombus was like a diamond.
What is it, ma?
I thought a rhombus usually looks like a diamond, and diamonds don't have like the same type of.
Guys, tell me.
Usually, what is it called again? A diamond. It looks is my teacher told me that a diamond is basically a rhombus.
Yes.
So I just thought it just like not congruent.
No, wait. Diamond is basically a rhombus.
Using finalize,
Oh
I feel like I'm.
Sorry about it, guys. Diamond is basically a rhombus. It has 4 sides. But what is the main requirement of a rhombus? All the 4 sides should be
The same.
the same, equal in length. Make sense, ma?
Oh, I thought they meant like the points. The points, if they're. That's why I got messed up.
Oh, no problem. But did you understand?
Yeah, I understood.
Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go ahead. I feel like I should give more problems now. I am not quite happy. Let's see. Okay, how about this? That's a good one. There are words where you can decipher the meanings. There are words where you can really decipher the meanings correctly. Can I expect you to do that?
Yeah. What's equal?
What was the question, ma? I got only one answer, right, ma? Ayan, you have the answer that's correct.
I'm a bit confused.
I'll help. Equiangular means what? Angles that are equal. Can I say that?
Yeah.
So, which of the shapes will have equal angles?
Well, square. Maybe rectangle.
Good. So that's the answer.
Oh, square and rectangle?
Yes.
Oh, I was a bit confused by the word because I didn't know how to pronounce it. I didn't know if it was irregular or.
See, ma, equiangle. You have to decipher. You see? Split it and decipher it. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Congruent, you know. Consecutive, you know. Those are important too. Can we stop here, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'll let you go. But then the homework will be, I already posted, okay? There are some 70 questions, so split into, okay?
70?
Yes.
Okay.
Do 10 a day. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. See you all next week, guys.
Bye.
I had this question it was on my test, like
Yeah.
the test that I took. It was the
Abhi, you wait a
neotic.
minute. Yeah,
Noetic.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one of them I couldn't answer it because I didn't know it, and then I asked my parents, but they knowed it. They got how they got the answer, but they didn't know how to explain it to me. And the question was NMM plus NM equals MNN.
What is that? NMM?
Yeah,
What is that? Tell me.
NMM
NMM.
plus
Hmm.
NM
Hmm.
equals MNN.
MNN.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it said that what 3-digit number does MNN represent?
Makes sense. So n plus 1 is m, right? Because there has been a carry. That's why n changed to m, right?
Uh-huh.
There can be only one carry. So n plus 1 is m. M is greater, right?
Yeah.
So two digits added will get n. What is that? 2 meaning when you look at it, right? You see m is equal to n plus 1, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so m is greater, correct?
Yeah.
So I can't have a 1 plus 1 here or a 2 plus 2. I can't have it here because n has to be greater. 3 plus 3. Yeah, I can have a 3 plus 3 in here, correct? No, I can't have a 3 plus 3. Can I have a 4 plus 4? No, I can't because n has to be greater. Can I have a 5 plus 5? Yes, I can have a 5 plus 5, correct? But n can't be 0. You see? Can I have a 6 plus 6? I can't because 6 plus 6 is a 12, but 2 plus 1 is not a 6. You got it?
Yeah.
7 plus 7 can I have? No, I can't because this will be 4. 4 plus 1 is not a 7. 8 plus 8? I can't because 6 plus 1 is not a 8. 9 plus 9 I can have? Can I have?
Yeah.
See, you solved it by yourself. So, this is a 9 plus 9, right? This is 18, right?
Yeah.
Right? So, this is a 9, this is a 8. Do you get it correctly? Yes, I got it. Do you see?
Yeah.
So, n was a 8. 8 plus 1 was a 9. Make sense?
Yeah.
This is just trial and error. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it now?
Yeah.
Can I stop here?
Yeah.
Good job. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Good asking. Hey,
Hi.
Aviram. Hi, Hamsi.